What's up, insiders? I'm Lauren, a program manager on our product team here at YouTube and the producer of Creator Insider. If it's Tuesday, it's Newsday, so let's get into it. We're happy to announce that we're launching a new feature this week to create public to member-only live streams, which we announced earlier this month at Made on YouTube. This feature allows creators to easily transition a current public live stream into a special members-only stream instead of having to end the stream and start a new one for members. Viewers who are channel members at the tier specified by the creator can access the respective members-only live stream. Non-members will have the opportunity to purchase a membership to unlock access. This saves creators time and energy, makes it easier to provide a valuable perk to their channel members, and helps creators acquire new members by sparking curiosity of the content to come. We'll leave more information below, but let us know if you have any questions. Moving on, we've talked about the Media Kit on the channel before, but we're excited to share that we're now expanding the feature to all creators in the YouTube Partner Program globally. So what is the Media Kit? The Media Kit is a personalized, auto-generated PDF that creators can use to showcase their channel performance, unique audience, and creativity to potential brand partners. This document is designed to help creators secure brand deals and other monetization opportunities, and contains unique data points that are not available in YouTube Analytics, such as audience watch and shopping interests. So where can you find your Media Kit if you're in YPP? A new link titled Download Your Media Kit will be added to the Earn tab in YouTube Studio on desktop. Clicking the link will open a new tab to download a PDF of your personalized Media Kit. This launch is intended to empower creators by enabling them to use a professional document of sample videos, channel performance, and audience data to help them secure brand deals and other monetization opportunities. Moving on, we're introducing a new remix feature called Extend with AI. This feature gives you creative suggestions to help you add a new segment into your own short. To use Extend with AI, pick a moment from an eligible short, select a suggested prompt that describes what you want to happen next, and create a new segment that you can use for your own short. Prompts are generated based on the video you choose to remix, so they offer creative suggestions tailored to your own unique content. You can add music after the preview draft has been generated. Your remixed creation becomes a new short that you can share, while the original creator's video remains the same. As with other remix features, every short that's created with Extend with AI will be linked back to the creator's original video from the Shorts player. Linking back to the original video provides an opportunity for new audiences to discover both your content and the original creators. You can already add your own ending to a short with our Cut feature, but the goal of Extend with AI is to make remixing more fun. The Created with AI label will be shown in the Shorts player just like other Shorts AI tools. Creators who don't want their videos included can always opt out, and we'll leave instructions in the description. Extend with AI will begin gradually rolling out to all regions outside of the EU and UK in the coming months. Initially, the feature will only be available in English, and we'll keep you posted on our plans for both expanding languages and country availability. And that's it for this week. From the creators of YouTube to YouTube creators, we'll see you next week.